Hey guys, what's up? It's the Cool Buddy here. Today we are unboxing the Colorfit Pro 3, and this watch is actually just like the Apple Watch. If you want a budget nice Apple Watch, get this. It's superb. So, and if you like the content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course share, comment. 1K subscribers. Okay. India's #1 wearable watch brand in 2020. Fitness smartwatch. There are a lot of features. Tracker. This was released in last September. Designed in India. Colorfit Pro 3. And this is designed from the company Noise. So let's get unboxing. Okay, before that, let's see what else. Fitness everywhere. Okay, so you have to download the Noise Fit app. This has blood oxygen monitor, stress monitor, and then 1.55 color touchscreen, 320 to 360p resolution, and cloud-based watch faces a lot. 14 different sports mode, that's a lot. And 5 ATM waterproof, 10-day battery life. So this also has a guarantee. 1-year guarantee. And they have a nice customer care, yeah. Okay, so let's start unboxing. First, open it like this. There it is. So I have this gray strap. Oh, what is this? Oh, win a free Colorfit Pro 3 strap. Let's see. Make a video unboxing the brand new Colorfit Pro 3 smartwatch. Post it on YouTube. Well, I'm gonna do that. Include hashtags. Step 3. Submit. Free Colorfit Pro 3 strap. Come on, that's superb. Okay, so let's continue our unboxing. So here is the beauty itself, the smartwatch. Ooh, okay. Oh yeah, and that feature, it blinks green sometimes when it's not on the hand of someone. So this is the watch itself. Is there anything else in the box? Nope, that's it. Only chargers. The charger and wait, let me open it. I think instruction manual is supposed to be there. Okay, nothing. Okay, yeah, there it is. So open it. Okay, that's a lot. I'm not gonna read it now. If you guys buy the watch, I do recommend it a lot. Then you can get it. Okay. Anything else in here? Register your warranty card. That's important. Keep it, guys. And this is the watch itself. So, how do you open? Okay, there. And remove this. I'll try to wear it on me. Okay, so here's the watch itself. So here is like pinkish gold, gray strap as I told you. So it actually looks nice. It looks nice on me, doesn't it? Okay, so now what else? Okay, let's turn on the watch. I think it's, wait, how much is that? Oh, 72% is always there. Okay, charging. So here's the date and time. You can change the watch face like this. And in the app, when you download the app, I'm not going to download it in this video. When you download it, you have a lot more features. Let's stay with this. So these are the steps, calories, and number of kilometers. Heart rate, stress level. This measures the stress level. And these are the different sports modes. Wait, I'm starting one. 1 second, guys. cancel. Yeah. Okay, so we have outdoor running, outdoor cycling, indoor walking, indoor running, indoor cycling. I don't know who does that. Elliptical, roller, pool swimming, open water swimming, cricket, hiking, yoga, workout, and that's it, guys. So let's explore more. Okay, you only have this open goal, calories, location. You have the GPS trackers. Okay, music, you have to connect the app and download some music to do this. And some more features is you have to press this button. You have a lot of features. The goals, some are the features we already saw. We have blood oxygen, blood SpO2 is here. We have a breathing exercise. It monitors our sleep levels, weather. We need to connect the app to do this. So, and what else we have? We have music player, timer, and we also have, where is it? Yeah, alarms. You can set the alarms in the watch itself. Find phone. If you connect it to the app, the phone will ring. And records of any your sports modes and settings. You have all these wrist awake, watch faces, all of those. So that's it, guys. If you want, yeah, there's a showcase and unboxing the Noise Colorfit Pro 3. So let's see some in the instruction manual. Colorfit. Oh. Function button, long press, please charge. Okay. So blood oxygen, all these just basic stuff. This is the breathing exercise, like I told you. Stopwatch. These. You can play YouTube videos. And you can get your notifications. Wait, I didn't show that. Scroll up, you can see notifications. Yeah, and that's just a music from all the way there. Okay, what else? Home screen navigation. Yeah, we have a lot. Press once, apps installed. You can even install apps on this. There are a few games you can do that, and the name of the app is NoiseFit. So get that and then see the company name Noise. That's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye. Subscribe. One get subscribed.